Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a project I wanted to share with you guys, and it is a baby girl mini album. You guys can see it right there. I actually made two, so wait till you guys see it. But I used this die set from Scrap Diva Designs. It is her baby girl mini album die set, and I got this I think a couple of months ago, and I've been dying to play with it. Finally had some time to do so, and I love it so much, you guys. I also want to make some cards with this die set, but for now all I was able to do was the albums. But I do want to make some cards as well because this is just absolutely adorable. So I'd highly recommend, and if you guys want to get anything from Scrap Diva Designs, use the code Carolina for 10% off your order. So definitely get this one. But I also used some word die sets. So she has like a baby words bundle set. This was, I used baby words number 1 and number 2. There is a third one as well. And it doesn't tell you like what they are, and it's kind of hard to tell, so I decided I would just write it out. So I used the baby and the girl from this die set, and I used the oh baby from this die set, which is right here, and then this is the baby girl right there. So I just wrote out what they have just so I know next time I want to go craft with these, I know what word I'm looking for. So I use these as well. Like I said, baby words number 1 and number 2. You guys could get those as well. Everything is in stock. And then I used this paper pad. So this is from Echo Park, a 12x12 paper pad called Bundle of Joy. This is the one specifically for a baby girl. It says Bundle of Joy Girl down here. And they're single-sided paper, so I was like, you know what, I want to use up some of these papers because I've had them in my stash. And when I'm making these albums, actually this one would have worked with double-sided paper as well, but like when I make these things I don't know, I don't always like having to pick which side of the paper I want to use. Like sometimes it's nice to have a choice, right? Like sometimes you don't like the paper, but sometimes you don't want to pick and you just want to use all the single-sided paper. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna try and use up this paper pad. So I still have like half or a little bit less than half, maybe 1, 2, oh wait, hold on. I had 24 sheets, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sheets left. So approximately half I still have available. So I could either make more albums or I can make some cards. I could also make some mini albums, whatever it is. But I used that. And then I also used some stickers from this collection. This is called Baby Girl by Echo Park. I just have a bunch of stickers from collections that I have used up, but I did not finish using the sticker sheet. So I always go through what sticker sheets I have in my stash and try to decorate with my stickers. So I will have all of those linked down below. And again, if you guys want to get some dies, don't forget to use the code Carolina. But let's get started, and I will show you guys in detail these adorable albums. So as you guys can see, I made 2 albums, not 1, but I made 2 because I couldn't help myself. And both of these are available in my Etsy shop. In case you guys are interested in purchasing any of these, just know that I am currently out of the country as you guys see this video. So look at the processing times. It's 3 weeks out. By the time I get back, it's about 3 weeks. And then I will fulfill all the orders after that. But I love how this turned out. I had to do a cinch wire. I love doing cinch wires, you guys, and I will use them wherever I can. I was thinking at first of doing it on the side, but I was like, you know, this is kind of curved. That a cinch wire is not going to look good here. And it's not like I could do a piece here and a piece here because this isn't like the same width. So it wouldn't have looked right. So I did it on top. Then I was kind of thinking like, at first my papers are upside down now when I went to flip it open with these being up here. So before I actually did punch out everything, I made sure to flip around my papers and put whatever is non-directional kind of on the top, so that when you're looking at it, it's all facing one direction. Now, some people like when the top piece is backwards, and especially if you're just going to be like, you know, flipping this and then putting it back there, then it doesn't really matter if this is upside down, because it would be, I mean, if this was upside down right here, if this pattern was upside down, because it would be normal if you then flip it like here. But the way that I look at this is like this. Like, I would open this up and I would see that, okay, there's a picture here, there's a picture here. I would look at both of these at once, which is why this one is kind of facing me right now, because that's how I would look at it. But personal preference, however you want to do it, is how you could do yours. But let me just talk about a little bit more about the cover before I dive deep into that. So on the cover here, I also cut out a vellum piece, and there's like these little lines in here that you can fold, which is how you guys could see that. It's like a cute little like piece that sticks up. I didn't glue this part down so it could kind of like stick up a little. I die cut that piece out from the die set, and I added some pearls, and they look adorable. I'll have these pearls linked down below, and then I'll also have the cinch wire linked down below. This is a 3/4 inch cinch wire. It's what I had in my scrap stash, which is also a great way to use my scraps, because look, I only needed 2 on each side. So these little pieces, end pieces that you normally never get to use, work fabulously on this album. And then I also use, here is from that die set. This is from the Baby Words #1, the baby girl. I had cut it out in white, the letters in hot pink, and I also cut out the shadow piece in pink foam. So that worked out for me there, and it adds some dimension. So it's super cute. So when you open this up, like I said, everything is going to be facing us as we are looking at it right now and as we are flipping. So you could add a photo under here. Actually, yeah. Is that? Yeah, I think that's left open. So you can add a photo under there. Let me just get a paper mat just so we could see for sure. So yeah, that is left open. Obviously this piece is a little bit too big, so you'd have to do like a smaller size photo, but you can add a photo there. You could add one that just goes up to here if you want, and then you could do some journaling, like however you want to do it. Then you have this piece here. You could add a photo here as well. This flips up this way, add a photo. Then here I made a cute little pocket, and it says congratulations on your new arrival. I have a 3x4 size cut apart in there, and then I also have this tag that you can journal on or include throughout the album wherever you want, because you could like add a photo here, for example, and then have this cute little like journal piece if your photo main focus is right here. So you can glue that down wherever you want. Then this flips open like this. You can add photo here. And then here I had some scrap vellum pieces, so I decided just to turn it into a pocket. I have another 3x4 cut apart, and then a slightly larger tag here. And this just says, we are so excited to welcome our newest addition to our family. And with the stickers, I decorated a little bit. So here you can see it says sweet baby girl. Then you flip that, you have another space for a photo here. You could add a photo here as well. Another photo here. Then I also added in this piece. This is just acetate. So I cut out the die onto acetate, and I created this cute little little notebook that you can write like the baby's first or whatever, or how much they weighed when they were born, and then like a week later, whatever you want to do. And I used a scrap from the collection just to make that, and I stitched it onto the acetate, so that's going to stay. On the back here, you can cover that up and add a photo, but I definitely didn't want this to go anywhere or move, but I thought this was like a great way to add in some information about your newest addition to your family. So then here you can also add another photo here, another photo here. Then here I have a cute little belly band, and inside that belly band I have a couple of things. So this was a sticker that I matted onto white Just says Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. You know this, you know the song. You could do some journaling on the back or add a small photo. And then I also have another tag in this belly band as well. So feel free to use what you want from there or tuck in something else. You could also keep this tuck spot and just put a photo down here and then have these kind of tucked over the photo still. So that's an option. Then here you would add another photo, and then I have another pocket here. Obviously you could add a photo back here as well or down here, but I made a cute little pocket with some scraps I had, and I included two little small tags that just kind of tuck in on the side here. This flips up, you have space for a photo. I also used pink acetate and die cut out that same baby girl album shape, so you could add a photo to here and here as well. And I would probably add them like same size in the same spot, but that's just another cute little element, something different than just paper. Add a photo down here, and then up here and here as well, then up here, and then the last page here I have another belly band. This time it's a vertical belly band rather than horizontal. I have another 3x4 cut apart here, and I decorated with a sticker, and it just says Dream Big Little Lady. And then this is the back, and it just has my logo, handmade kind of logo. So this is available in my shop, you guys, in case you guys are interested in purchasing. Now the other one is similar but a little different. So this one says Oh Baby. It has a light pink bow and just a little bit more of the pearl. I ran out of the pearl, so I couldn't do that here, but then I also really liked how that looked without those pieces. So I don't know, which one do you guys like better? Let me know. But the insides are fairly the same, just different cut aparts. So here again, it's facing me, so you could add a photo here. I added a sticker that says New Arrival. Add a photo. Add a photo. Here's my tuck spot. The other one said like congratulations on your newest arrival. This one says Sweet Baby. Another 3x4 cut apart or journal card, and a tag here. Then this flips up. You have a space for photo. Then I have a pocket with the vellum. We got this cut apart that says It's a Girl, and a larger tag. And then a sticker that says Welcome Little One. You could add a photo here, another space for photo. We got this pink acetate for photo here again. Then photo and belly band. So it says Sweet Girl. You could write a message on the back or add a photo, and then you have another tag. But like I said, you could add these tags wherever you want throughout the album. Another space for photo. Then you have this page with this little pocket with the two little tags. Then this page for photo. Here's the clear acetate with another little notebook as well that you can write some information about your newest arrival. And then a photo area here, and here, another one here, and then your last belly band, and it says It's a Girl with a journal card, and you could add a photo to the back of that if you'd like, or tuck in a couple of more photos in here as well. So that is what I made. Like I said, these both are available in my Etsy shop, and I love how they turned out, you guys. I'm happy to be able to use up some baby girl paper. I just need to craft a little faster so I could use it up faster and get 2 other collections, and I just want to make all the things, you guys. Anyway, I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. And again, don't forget to use the code Carolina for 10% off your order if you're gonna get any dies. It doesn't have to be these, it could be any die set, but I do recommend those because I love them. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.